In this video we will demonstrate how to install the front piece of your UKarbon skin to your iPad 3rd and 4th gen. Start by cleaning the device of any dirt and residue with the cleaning cloth provided. Carefully peel back the top of the skin from the support material by approximately 3 cm. And now begin aligning it with the camera holes and the edges of the device. Once you're happy with the alignment, gently peel back the rest of the support material, releasing the whole skin. It should fall basically into place, however a slight adjustment may be required. Once you're happy, apply light pressure to seal the skin to the device. If at any point you're not happy with the overall alignment, it's okay, gently peel it back and try again.